Alright, so what we had today is just the 5x5 drill. Pretty simple drill. Just wanted to get something for you guys, kind of practice on your own. It's basically, and I'll see if I can find a link for these 5-inch targets. And you're going to do a 5x5 drill, so you're going to take 5 shots at 5 yards on a 5-inch target in 5 seconds. So let's shoot it and see how we do. So for this drill, I'm going to start off doing it. It's my first time. I'm going to start off in a high ready. And then as I kind of get better at it, as we go down the line, I'll start from the low rated position. So let's get started, see how we do. Hope I don't do terrible. That was pretty bad. 4.63, but I threw one, so. Okay. All right, let's move on. Same thing again, and I think it was probably with me. Not holding onto the gun tight enough. Lost sight of my red dot. Tried to get back on it quick. Did it in 4.05, but still missing shots is not good. You see? I'm gonna show you. Not everybody is the best. Gonna do everything great. So everybody kind of mess up, makes mistakes. So now I kind of know what I need to work on. We'll knock out these last 3 and see what we look like. 1, that's 10. Okay. All right, let's go. I see did a lot better on that one. 3.26. Got all 5 on. Let me go switch out my mag. Ready? Let's see what we got. And I got one borderline, but got all 5 on. 3.63. So we're not doing too bad. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. Coming from high ready, that's decent. .65. All right, so guess we can go up to the target, check it out. You guys can see how good and or bad I did. You see, when I first started, I was on, but you see, I threw one here, threw one on the top there. So it's like I threw one because I wasn't gripping the gun. I was more trying to rush rather than keeping my on my red dot. So you see the last 3, I got everything on. Got a borderline one there, but that's what we'll look at count. So 5x5 drill. Check it out, see how you do. We'll do it again a little later, see how I do. We'll do from the low ready next time, see how it is, all right? You guys have a good one. Stay safe, shoot straight. Let's do it, keep shooting.